Warehouse fires don't start big, but they get big, fast. And the most dangerous part, many of them could have been prevented with simple code complaints. Mistake number 1, storing goods too close to the roof. When goods are stored too high, the sprinklers can't do their job. Water can't reach the fire quickly or effectively. Mistake number 2, no zone fire detection system. Warehouses without proper fire zones waste precious time. The system doesn't know where the fire is and the responders lose direction. Install heat smoke detectors in zones that match the storage layout. Mistake number 3, blocked aisles and fire exit routes. If exits are blocked during a fire, people and even fire crews can get trapped. Code records clear access to all exits, equipment, and hose reels. Mistake number 4, wrong type of fire extinguisher. One extinguisher doesn't fit all fires. If you are storing flammables or batteries, the wrong type can make things worse. Use class A, B, C or specialized extinguishers depending on goods stored as per NFPA and UAE fire code. Mistake number 5, no fire drill or emergency response plan. Large facilities need clear evacuation plans, trained fire wardens, and defined assembly zones. Fire drills must be documented as per UAE fire code. A fire in your warehouse can destroy more than goods. It can shut your operations down overnight. Don't wait for an inspection or a disaster. Check your layout, check your systems, and stay compliant.